In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for ChatGPT. So as you can see, currently I am at chatgpt.com. And if I go over here and I ask it something, let's say, what's 1000 divided by all of this? And then it'll say, also give me the meaning of life. I'm also going to say, how do I grow a channel to 1 billion subs? It will give me all these answers, but let's say I accidentally reload the page. Boom, the answer's gone. So if you want to save it, you will need to sign up. So let me just show you how to do that. So click sign up, then you'll create an account. So you can either continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or continue with Apple. But if you just want to put in your email, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to click continue with Google since it's very easy. Then you'll just want to click any email you want to use. I'll use this one right here. As you can see, you are now in it. So with this, it can say ChatGPT can think longer before responding for better answers to your biggest questions. So this is great. This is great. So I'm just gonna give it a question, and now it can save those answers. I'm just gonna say, give me hard questions to ask AI. And now I'm going to ask it one of these questions, and then it now reasons it and it gives the answer. So this is great. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.